Hello. Okay, so hi, I'm John Pineda. Okay, Alicia. Name ko? Okay. Hi, I'm John Pineda, running for Member Relations Department Head for AMS. So hi, sino ba ako? Sino si John Pineda? Well, sino ako sa AMS? Nung first year ako, regular member lang ako, tapos okay, saktong active lang, tapos Sudo 4. Nung second year ako, project head, tapos Memrel baby rin ako. Since first year to third year, Memrel na ako. Tapos for third year, nagagawa ko ngayon, deputy for promos, pero making Memrel pa rin ako. So yun. Anong goal ko for Memrel is #Memrel Strong. Okay. So, warning lang, so, lahat ng sides ko dito parang may relation sa strength. Okay. So, why member relations? Ano ang org ko walang members, di ba? So, paano kung puro execom lang kayo? Na-imagine niyo ba yun? Wala kayong alagaan. So, an organization won't exist without its members. Members are the future of the organization. Kasi, sila yung dinadevelop natin and pinaform as leaders for the improvement of the org. So, and in order to take care of the members, hello, my lovely members, I believe in my project, Memrel Strong. Why strong? Strong. Kasi I aim for strong bonding and effective communications, just like Jahov. Tapos strong impact to members and strong project implementation for member formation. First point, strong opportunities for communication and bonding. Ano yung nakikita niyo sa screen? UBE. What is UBE? As explained by Jahov, Ultimate Bonding Experience. We aim to do UBEs for the pools, for the core teams, the pools, the departments, and for the whole AMS. So for the core teams, yun yung goal namin na before FGD, di ba, before core meeting, parang it's a way to bond the core teams para maging open sila sa isa't isa, and way rin siya to improve project management. So for the department, as explained by Joel, we will hold UBEs per department para mas mabond yung members with the same interest. So, ano talaga ang goal ng UBE? To form strong bonds. Ionic bonds. So yun, ang goal ko for my first point is to make the members experience this ultimate experience. Second point, stronger impact for member formation. Impact. So, bakit yung bata nag-workout? Kasi maganda to start early. Ang napansin namin sa Memrel this year is that for the first time, kulang siya ng Memrel project. So, if we start early sa Memrel formation ng mga members, mas madaling i-maintain yung members and sustain yung pagiging active nila sa org. So there. So another way to sustain the members is the CAM, know your AMS member. So there. Third point, strongest projects to facilitate member formation. So ano yung pina-form ng KID? It's the core power. Core team power sa project implementation. So we will hold IC per core team, tapos UBE, tapos we will also engage DP to the project core meetings. And another thing is that to improve the pool of host system. Since yung host yung mga nagsasalita sa mga projects, sila yung face of the projects. So there. To summarize, yun yung to-do list ko for the next year. Since para maabot natin yung goal, we need to make a concrete to-do list. So there, I give you my Project UBE, Memrel Start Heavy, CAM recognition, one strong core team, and POH trainings and support. So we can do it as a member, a pool, a department, an organization, and as one family, AMS. Thank you.